everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Take the balloon and tie it at the back side of the straw using rubber band. Similarly, make the wheels using bottle cap. Paste it on the top, blow the balloon and look, it is ready. Draw a circle on this yellow craft paper. After this, cut the circle. Make multiple cut like this and fold each of the cut and make the sun shape. Now paste the eyes and look, you can blow it like this. Cut two circles, color them and make hole. Now take some earbuds and paste it around those circles. Cover it from the top, color the earbud as well. Put a straw at the center. Now we're going to make a stand. Tap it inside the clay and it's done. Take this red balloon and put the marble inside. Tie the marble using rubber band and then flip the balloon. Blow it like this and tie a knot at the top and look, it will move like this. Now you can add some ears and eyes and look how cute this moving balloon is looking. Take some ice cream sticks and tie them using rubber band from the side. Make the cross sign. Now we're going to paste this bottle cap and look, your fun activity is ready. You can play it with your kids. Here we're going to cut a circle, paste the eyes and make the duck face. Similarly, we're going to make the feathers. So fold this paper and cut it and make the leaf structure. Paste all of them on the gloves and tie it on this paper cup. Put the straw and blow it and look, it's ready. As you can see, we're going to cut the wings from the cardboard, color it like we're doing here in this video. After this, we're going to make a hole and put the stick. You can secure it using hot glue gun. Now take this plastic bottle, make hole and put the stick inside. We're also putting the thread and tie it on the stick. Put it inside and close the bottle cap. Now we're going to move it like this and look, it's ready. We're going to fold this yellow craft paper and draw the shape of the chick and then draw the eyes and make a large hole at the center. Now cut it. Now we're going to paste this sellotape on the top of it. After this, we're going to put this balloon at the center and secure it from the ends as well. When you squeeze it, the balloon will come out and look how fun this craft is. Cut two green strips and paste this bottle lid on the top of it. Now squeeze them. You can make the frog eyes and paste it like this. We're going to draw a circle on the top of this black craft paper and draw the shape of the ladybug. Similarly, cut two red circles and make the wings. Draw the black patches and paste it on the top of this bottle cap and look, it will move like this. To draw a circle on the cardboard and cut it. Now we are going to paste some colorful craft paper on the top of it. Make a cut on the side and put this rubber band on the side of it. Thank you so much for watching this video.